This tutorial covers implementing the JM Breaking News plugin with the Giornalismo WordPress theme. Now, one simple way is to use this box to install all the recommended plugins, but for this tutorial we're going to just use the normal installation with WordPress for plugins. So plugins, add new, then you will search JM Breaking News in the search box. It'll be the first and only result. Click Install Now. Then you'll click Activate Plugin, and all the code required to show the plugin is already implemented in the theme, so you won't have to worry about adding code. So then add breaking news, you go to hover breaking news, add new. Then the title is the text that will be displayed in the banner along with the breaking news text. So just put something sort of random here to show what's going on. Then you can add the link to it. It can be either internal or external. Then you can, if it's external, you can display it in a new window, and then you can add a time limit. We'll go with 3 hours here. And then go to the home page, and there it is. So that's it. That's all you need to do to get that to work.